Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Etisalat physical SIM to eSIM online. So in order to do it, you can either come on the official website of etisalat.ae, and over here you can just simply hover over to the support section and you can contact with the customer support team of Etisalat, and then you can ask them to activate your SIM online. Now if you have the Etisalat application, you just have to simply follow these simple steps in order to activate the SIM very easily. So in order to do it, first of all you will have to simply launch your Etisalat mobile application and then log in into it with the help of your UAE pass. After that, you need to tap on your profile tab in the bottom right hand corner, and there you will see the manage option. Now once you tap on manage, you need to pick the SIM that you want to convert or transfer, and then you need to select that SIM card. Then you will see the option of replace SIM or switch to eSIM. So since you want to switch to eSIM, you will have to change this option, or you will have to select this option and then select SIM type as eSIM. Then you just have to simply follow further on screen instructions. Those would be very simple. You just have to simply follow those instructions, and this way you will be able to convert your physical SIM card to eSIM. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.